This video I will explain best health insurance for family. What is a family health insurance? Family health insurance is also called a family floater plan. This is one single insurance plan that covers all members of your family under one policy. Instead of buying separate insurance plans for each person, you buy one plan and everyone shares the coverage. Now we will see how family health insurance works. You choose a total coverage amount called sum insured. Any family member can use this amount when needed. Let's take a real life example. Suppose you buy a 10 lakh family health insurance plan for you, your spouse and your child. Now imagine your child needs a treatment costing 3 lakh. The insurance company can pay that amount from 10 lakh coverage. After that, the remaining coverage amount becomes 7 lakh for the rest of the year. Why family plans are better? First is cost saving. Buying one family insurance plan is usually cheaper than buying separate plans for every family member. Second is easy management. You only pay one premium. You only track one policy. Third is flexible usage. Any family member can use the coverage whenever needed. Now we will see important insurance terms. Premium means the amount you pay every year for the insurance policy. Sum insured means the total coverage amount, like 5 lakh or 10 lakh. Cashless treatment means the hospital bill is paid directly by the insurance company. Network hospitals are hospitals that accept your insurance policy. Waiting period means the time you must wait before some diseases become covered. Pre-existing disease means the illness you already had before buying the insurance. Now we will see best family health insurance plans in India. First one is Star Health Family Health Optima. This is best insurance for simple family coverage. Benefits include entire family covered under one plan, large network hospital list, easy claim process. Now we will see the real life example. Suppose your spouse needs surgery, the hospital bill can be directly paid through cashless treatment. Second one is STFC Ergo, Optima Secure. This is the best insurance plan for higher protection. Benefits include extra coverage benefits, good option for families wanting a strong protection. Now we will see the example. Suppose you take a 10 lakh plan, your effective coverage may increase over the time. Third one is Niva Puba Reassure Plan. This is the best insurance for repeated hospital use. Benefits include recharge benefit, coverage refill after usage. Now we will see the example. Suppose you use 5 lakh once, the plan may restore the coverage again in the same year. Fourth one is ICICI Lombard Complete Health Insurance. This is best for the customization. Benefits include add-on and extra features. Good claim service. Now we will see the example. You can adjust the coverage based on your family needs. Fifth one is Care Health Insurance, Care Supreme. This is best insurance for budget families. Benefits include affordable premium, balanced coverage. Now we will see the example. Good option if you want decent protection at lower cost. Now we will see how much coverage you should take. This is very important. Simple rule. For a small family, at least 5 to 10 lakh coverage is recommended. For a bigger family or people living in cities like Bangalore, 10 to 20 lakh coverage may be better. Why? Because hospital costs are increasing very fast. Sometimes even one surgery can cost 3 to 5 lakh. So very low coverage may not be enough. Now we will see how to choose the best family insurance plan. First, check your family size. More family members usually means you need higher sum insured. Second, check network hospitals. Make sure good hospitals near your home are included in the insurance network. Third, check claim settlement ratio. Higher ratio usually means the company pays claims more reliably. Fourth, Understand the waiting period. Some diseases become covered only after 1 or 2 years. Fifth, compare premium and benefits carefully. Do not choose a plan only because premium is cheap. Always check coverage and benefits properly. Now we will see the real life scenario. Without insurance, hospital bill becomes 4 lakh. You pay everything from your savings. With family health insurance, insurance company may pay most or all of the bill. Your savings stay protected. Final simple advice. Always buy health insurance when your family is young and healthy. Choose higher coverage, not just lower price. And always read important policy terms before buying insurance.